Have you ever had a mentor? Someone you looked up to at work? What types of things did they teach you? Did that relationship make you happier at work? Did that relationship help you to do your job better? Now think of the best training you've ever taken. Maybe it was at school, a workshop, or even just a presentation. What was special about it? Did you learn something new that you could apply to your job, or maybe to another part of your life? All people have needs. We have basic needs like eating and sleeping, the need to feel safe and to feel included, like we belong in some type of community. But we also have the need to grow, to feel like we have accomplished something, as well as the desire to learn new things and gain new skills to reach our full potential in life. This is Tarek. Tarek works in the service department of a local car body shop. He enjoys working with his hands, but he also enjoys being around people. He aspires to be the service manager one day. Right now, Tarek doesn't really feel challenged by his job. He's been assigned to checking tire pressure and oil levels. He feels this is a bit repetitive. How could Tarek grow and develop in his career? When a workplace values growth and development, workers are supported with their goals. These could be better with people skills, emotional skills, or job skills. Employees play an important role in the growth and development of their staff. In Tarek's example, there are opportunities that his workplace could provide, such as providing time or funds for training. His supervisor could also help Tarek to create a development plan. What are some things that Tarek could do to be proactive with his development? If Tarek's workplace valued his growth and development, the first step he could take is to talk with his supervisor about his goals. He could meet with his supervisor to learn how he became a service manager. Tarek could take a course or a workshop to learn more skills. There are many things that employees can also do to promote their own growth and development. Think of your job. What are some of the skills you want to learn? How can you make this happen? It doesn't always have to be something that costs money. There are a lot of free webinars and resources available. Maybe you could be a guest at one of your supervisor's meetings to get a feel for what they do. You can learn what type of issues they face and the job expectations that come with their role. You could ask a leader to be your mentor or job shadow someone in a position that interests you. Perhaps you could ask to get more constructive feedback from your supervisor. Ask questions like, what are some ways I can improve in my role? Or, how do you think I can grow to take on more responsibilities? It could be that you are at the point in your career where you might grow by mentoring someone else. Sometimes meeting with other workers just to talk about how you dealt with challenging times at work can help all of you grow together. Depending on what else you have going on in your life, you may want to grow in ways outside of work. Maybe it's being on a sports team, or volunteering in the community, or taking a class in something you've always wanted to try. What is one way that you would like to grow? How will this help you to develop in your career? What can you do today to get started? Growth and development is one of 13 factors that support psychological health and safety in the workplace. Learn more at mentalhealthcommission.ca/national standard. For more resources for your workplace, check out havethattalk.ca. Developed in collaboration by Ottawa Public Health and the Mental Health Commission of Canada, with content adapted with permission from Mindful Employer Canada and support from Bell Let's Talk.